Echo these words and listen for a sound they all have in common. Flu.
Flu.
Blue.
Blue.
Clue.
Clue.
What sound do you hear in all of these words?
Ooh.
Ooh. Let's look at them. See what's making... Oh, I'm on the wrong one. Let's try again. Let's look at them and see what's making the ooh sound.
U-E.
U-E. Very good. Okay. Listen to these words and see if you can hear a sound they have in common. Argue.
Argue.
Barbecue.
Barbecue.
Continue.
Continue.
What do you hear in those?
Ooh.
Not ooh. You hear you. What's making the U sound?
U.
U-E. What do you think U-E is?
A digraph.
A digraph. Is it a vowel digraph or a consonant digraph?
Vowel digraph.
It's a vowel digraph. How do I code digraphs?
Underline it.
Underline them. Okay. A brief? All right. Very good. We cross out my E. Make run over the U. Is there anything else in these three words I need to do? Jacob?
On clue, you put a, I forgot what it's called. A K-back.
A K-back.
On the C.
It's followed by a consonant, so we know that makes the k sound. Okay? Let's do our digraphs down here. What else do I need to do for this word? Maya?
Put an arc under AR.
Okay.
That's it.
No, it's not. I have two vowel sounds in that word.
Put a V under AU.
A V under the A and the U.
Put two C's under R and G.
C under the R, C under the G. Where do I normally divide a VCCV pattern?
In between the consonants.
Between the consonants? Where should I put my accent?
On the first syllable.
Okay, what is that word?
Argue.
Argue, okay? This word here, Braylee, let's see if you can help me out. This one's a little bit harder. It's not something we've done before.
Underline the AR.
I'm not going to underline it.
Put an arc under it.
Put an arc under AR, okay?
Put
Any other obvious codings?
a line behind the C.
Any other obvious codings? A line, we don't do lines behind. Are you talking about a K-back or what are you talking about? Dividing? A K-back on the C, yes, because it's followed by a U, so I know it's going to make the K sound. Okay. U is a vowel.
Did you say it is
Sorry, followed by a U. I'm sorry. Thank you for correcting me.
That's all?
No, not by a long shot. Where do I have vowel sounds?
I know this one. The E and the A.
The E and the A. Is that all?
No.
Those are the only vowel sounds? No.
No. The other E?
The other E's not making a sound. We marked it out.
The U.
The U. Okay. Now what?
Put a C under the C.
Okay.
Put a C under the B. Put a C under the R.
All right. Where am I going to divide this first pattern?
Between the C's.
Between the consonants. Okay. What about here? Where am I going to divide that?
Between the B and the E.
What?
No, between the E and the C.
Okay. So between the first vowel and the consonant, right there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Put a comma. No.
An accent.
Yeah, an accent in the first syllable.
Okay. What am I going to do with this E?
Barbie.
Shh.
Put an R. No.
A line thingy? What's a line thingy?
I don't know. It looks like an R, but it goes on top.
A breve?
Yes.
Does that say barbecue? No, so it's not going to be a breve.
Make one. Upside down E.
A schwa, okay? So, barbecue, right? Barbecue. You guys are ahead of the game. You haven't learned how to do that yet. Good job. Jaden, help me out with this last one. Okay, because it's followed by an O. And under the O and the I. Anywhere else?
Consonant. Also on the U.
Okay, and under the U.
And put a consonant under the N and the N.
Is that it?
And the T.
And the T, okay. That I,
And
T
divide
means
it between the consonant
okay.
and divide it on after the second vowel on the other one.
After the second vowel, so all the way over here.
No, in between the V, the C and the V.
So the, here, between the consonant and vowel, okay. All right.
And put a leave above the I.
Okay. The only voice I should hear is Jaden's.
Put a leave above the O.
A breve above the O.
Accent on the second syllable.
Okay, so let's try that. Continue.
Continue.
Okay, what do I need to change?
The accent
Where do I put it?
on the first syllable.
On the first? So, continue. No.
Put a schwa on the O.
Schwa on the O? Is that the only thing I'm changing right now? Continue. Continue. No. How do you say that word, Jaden?
Continue.
Okay. So you said continue, but I said continue. What changed?
The accent.
Okay, where do I need to move the accent to?
The last.
The last syllable? So, continue. No. Continue. Where is your accent? Continue.
On the second syllable.
Continue. Very good. That I am proud of you. You worked through that. That's something you guys haven't even learned how to do two different vowel patterns yet. Huh? What about blue and flu?
Never. I thought.
All right. We are going to practice spelling and coding some words with the UE sound, or the UE digraph today. So remind me, what two sounds can that make?
Ooh and you.
Ooh and U, just like a long U, right? Real quick, how have we been spelling the U sound on our worksheets?
You.
No.
Consonant E, comma, U.
What do you think I'm going to add now? good. So at the end of a word, if you hear oo or you, it might very well be u-e. Very good. All right, so let's split up into our groups and get to work.